Okay, hello, hi. This is Ryan Ahmed with you. This is lesson 12 in TCL over Rivet, and in this lesson we're going to talk about how to use Sqlite server as a database backend, and using also library DIO. Now, in the previous lesson we talked about how to use the DIO and what is DIO. Okay, and just as a reminder, it's a library where you can access either one of MySQL, Postgre, and SQL and Oracle, or Oracle or Sqlite. It allows you to switch between any. Okay, so here at this moment we're going to talk about how to use DIO from within Sqlite. Okay, connecting to Sqlite from DIO. Anyway, so like the previous lesson, we have this DIO and handle, and it has to be using the name Sqlite with the word S capitalized. Okay, so I have a database which is located at the same file of lesson 12.rvt. Okay, so this is our lesson 12.rvt. See, it's now enlarged, zoomed. So the file is located in here. Also, this is the cacher database file, and at the bottom I have lesson 12 here. Okay, and this is, as usual, this is our Apache web server folder that I'm doing all Revit lessons from. Okay, so both files, the RVT file and the database, are at the same folder. So to tell the DIO where your database is located, I use this way: // there's a // a point, a full stop, whatever. Okay, call it whatever. So // cacher .sqlite3, which is the file here, which contains the database, and therefore I must tell it -db, so it knows that what follows is the database file. Now, our database is created using a software named Sqlite Studio. Okay, and there is a table within the cacher database, as you saw. There's a table named items. Okay, the item, and there's a barcode number, description, purchase price, and other. So I only selected the first two, okay, barcode and description, to display the data. And let's say I displayed the whole data for real. Okay, so this is the whole data. So to make sure that I can connect to Sqlite through DIO, first of all you have to go to TCL/sh. Okay, and let me zoom it a little. So I go to TCL/sh, and then I do this: package acquire Sqlite 3. Okay, if I get a number, this means that I have Sqlite is installed. So DIO then can connect using Sqlite 3 and then the package that's mentioned here, and everything will go just fine. Okay, so if not, then you should reinstall your active state correctly and build your teacup and tpot repository, okay, using the tcap command. Anyway, so please watch the installation of SQLite 3, the active state TCL interpreter. Now in Debian's way, what you do is this: I look for the package named libsqlite TCL, this one and this one, okay, both. Now this one uses the older version 2, I think, yes, version 2, and this one uses the version 3. This is the latest, okay. Use whichever that works with you. And SQLite Studio also gives you that chance, okay, to use whatever database that you want. Now after this, as I told you in the previous lesson also, it's the same thing, same way, just I have the see, I did not change the code, it's the same, but I only changed the query because this is different table, okay, this different thing, but just for this, okay, as a concept, it's the same. So you just put whatever query here you want, okay, but the data and the output is almost the same. So I'm still using db handle for all query row and $row bn and description, okay. See, description here, barcode number, I called it again as a bn, so this is an SQL thing, so you can use this now and use it here, okay. Of course, when you put the as, what you get is this name, not this name. This is not what you use inside the row, you use this one, the alias, okay. So that's all about SQLite, and this is how we connect to SQLite through DIO. Thanks for watching. Please click on the subscribe button, and also don't forget to put your comments. It's very important to me. Thanks.